Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Ford Mustang. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Ford is a great value with less than 38,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows and window defogger.